Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire and I've got another unboxing video for you, and it's my very first beauty subscription box for February, and it is a Glossybox, and this is what it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful box. So normally we get a pink box with our glossy boxes, but now and again they like to do like special limited edition styles, and this is one for Valentine's Day. It is really pretty, really lovely. So as always, if you're new to Glossybox, I'll give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before and you just want to skip forward to seeing the contents inside this box, I will add a timestamp down below, so you're free to do that. But yeah, so Glossybox is a beauty monthly subscription box. It costs £10 a month and £3.25 postage and packaging. Plus you can cancel any time. Now inside the box contains 5 beauty items of a mix of skincare, makeup, hair care, and we've had the odd sweet treat and things as well. Glossybox is definitely one of my favourite subscription boxes. I've been subscribed to them for nearly 2 years now. Actually it is 2 years February, and I love them. I love them. I think because of the price and the value. Their contents are usually way over £50 or more. You know, some months are better than others, which you would expect with a subscription box, but I think because it's only £10 and postage and packaging, I think it's one of the better boxes out there, definitely for value for money. You can take out a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription as well. I do have a refer a friend code to entitle you off 20% off your first box. Everything related to this box, including the code and the website and the subscription link, will be written down in the description. Underneath the video you will see show more. If you click that, it'll bring up more information and it'll be all in my description there, so take a look at it if you're interested. But I think that's it, so let's open it up and see what's inside this box. So that's what it looks like inside. Really pretty. Nice ribbon as well. So in every box we get a card, and on here, as I said, it shows you a sneak peek, but it also tells you everything about the products inside this box, and it tells you the cost as well, which I really like to know, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. But look how stunning that is. That is so, so pretty. Really pretty. Right, I'll show you first. Oh, I don't want anything to fall out. There you go. So I'll put that down to the side of me, and then I will pick an item up, show you, and then refer back to this card. So it says here, Happy Valentine's Glossies. We're spreading the love this month by bringing you 5 fabulous products plus extra his and hers treats to share with that special someone. Ooh, this February, our amazing edit includes a flirty lip contour that will give you an irresistible kissable pout and a cruelty-free makeup brush that will help you achieve a breathtaking finished look. Backed by popular demand, we also included a sumptuous, I can't say that word, sumptuous, oh my god, Korean skincare products so you can treat yourself to an indulgent pampering session. So Glossies, whether you're happily single or embracing self-love, or you're in a blossoming relationship and prepping for the big romantic date, it's all about love. Edit has everything you need to make yourself feel sexy and confident. And the sneak peek for next month is Plumping Peppermint and Blood Orange. Oh whoa, lip balm by natural vegan and cruelty-free brand Bybi. Bybi. Oh gosh. There, you can read it for yourselves. Peppermint and orange blossom. That's how, or blood orange, I mean. That sounds absolutely amazing. Oh, okay, so that's our sneak peek then. So I'm not going to look at any more. I have had a press release. I had it this morning actually, just after I had this box. I have an idea of what's in it, but I haven't really looked, if you know what I mean, because I do like to have a bit of surprise, and I can't help but not look at the press release when it comes. So this is actually a PR box. So if you don't already know, I carry on my subscription, and my paid for box comes around, say around the 7th of every month. So because I've had this PR box first, my paid for box will be going out for a future giveaway on my Facebook page or my Instagram page. Well, Facebook is Diary of a 40 something, so that's easy, but my Instagram is Diary of 40 something. So it's the same, but without the A. I'll link it down below anyway. So let's get on to the first item. So our first is a nail varnish. Oh, it's a nice red one. This is called Status Ready, and it's just by Nails Inc. London. I'll show you. Gorgeous colour. Gorgeous colour. I'm trying to grow my nails. Trying to, so I can start wearing nail polish again, because there's nothing worse than wearing nail polish when your cuticles are a mess and your nails are all ripped. I hate them. Winter, I can't cope. My nails can't cope. But hopefully I'm on a good run. Let's try a finger, shall we? Just to see what the colour is like. I'll try a nice longish nail. This is so weird. I'm doing it in the air and I'm trying to think, what do I do differently when I apply nail varnish? But I put my hand on something, I put my arm on something to rest. And I'm not, I'll have to rest on my boobs. Hold on. Not as perfect as I like, but the colour is absolutely gorgeous. I love nail ink. And there you go, there's my little nail. Can you see there? Excuse the cuticle. It's a really nice colour, really nice colour. I like that. So this says status ready nail polish. The recommended retail price for this is £15, and it says long lasting and super glossy. This sultry nail polish is a fabulously intense deep cherry red hue. Better yet, it boasts an expertly designed brush that perfectly fits the shape and width of your nail. Giving yourself an immaculate manicure has never been easier. So no, really happy with that. I've got to be careful now that this nail doesn't touch anything, because I fiddle around my hair and everything, and yeah. See how it dries. I have got a brush here, and this is by Luxie, luxiebeauty.com. Oh, I like the colour. It's grey and it's got silver writing, and this is a Luxie 52512 small contouring brush. Look at that, isn't that smart? Can you see there? Oh, I like that. Nice and soft. Ooh, there, you can see there. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. So this, I'm instantly thinking powder setting around the eyes, because I like to set my eyebrows in place, because I haven't got many, because I haven't got much eyebrows, and I wear quite a bit of eyebrow products. Unless it's set properly, it just slides off. So a nice little brush like this would be perfect just for going over and under my eyes as well to set. So no, I quite like that, and I love the grey colour. So the recommended retail price for this brush is £15, and it says Onyx Noir small contouring face brush, I can't get the hair out my face. Is it dry yet? No. 512. When you're looking good, you feel good. Use this contour brush to define your best features and make yourself feel confident. Its ultra soft, handcrafted bristles allow you to effortlessly accentuate your cheekbones and achieve an even and blended contour. If you don't already know, I've got dyslexia, so I tend to not be able to say some words properly. I get mind blankness and I stutter, so apologies. Effortlessly, that is a word I can never say. Effortlessly. I'll move on because I don't want to bore you. So that's our second item. Next we've got two perfume samples. And we got, it's Alien Fusion by Mugler, HUDA Perfume, and they're 1.2. That's the man one. There you go. And that's the woman one. So there, by Mugler. So let's have a squirt then, because I haven't got perfume on today. Oh, that's quite nice. I'm sure I've tried Alien before. Oh, that is really nice. That's really nice. I'm going to have to spray the man's one now. So this must be our little extra gift then. What can I spray it on? I don't want to spray it on me. Just right here. Oh my gosh. It's like, what is the water? Davidoff. Cool water. Is that the name? It's ancient, but it's so nice. And it smells like that. It's a blue bottle. It's a Davidoff cool water. I'm sure it is cool water. No, that's what that smells like anyway. But no, I am loving that. That is really nice. Alien Fusion Perfume and Alien Man Fusion. We're treating you to the new Alien Fusion fragrances by Mugler. One for you and one for your special someone. For her, Alien Fusion is a perfume, a hot and spicy scent with an intense fiery trail. For him, Alien Man Fusion is a toilette, a leathery, vibrant and addictive fragrance that will awaken his senses. So obviously these are samples, so I know quite like them. So those are our little extra freebies. So our next item is, this is a multivitamin mask by Vitamasque, and it's Radiant Complexion. Yeah, it's just a Korean sheet mask. Now, I have a load of these masks and I love them, absolutely love them. I do quite a few during the week, but no, I've had this a little while ago. I'm not sure where I got it from, whether I got it from Vitamasques themselves or I got it in like a mask time. It's another subscription box. I can't remember. The recommended retail price for this mask is £4.99 and it's a multivitamin mask. Achieving a breathtaking complexion with this pampering Korean face mask formulated with nourishing vitamins, it moisturizes and hydrates dry skin for a healthy glow. Apply to cleanse skin, leave for 20 minutes, gently remove, then pat to your face to absorb the remaining essences. So that's that item there. Oh, we've got the sneak peek from last month and it's a HUDA Beauty Lip Contour in shade Flirt. So that's what that looks like there. So this is our sneak peek, and yeah, we've had quite a few Huda Beauty products, and it's really nice, because it's quite it's not a cheap brand, so it's really nice to try the products. Oh, I love this colour. Oh, that is lovely. Really nice and soft as well. I don't think I've had I don't think I've ever had like a lip liner or a lip contour then from Huda Beauty before, but it's a super long wear matte lipstick. No, and that's a gorgeous colour. Gorgeous colour. I think they come in two from memory. Yes, there's two here. And it says here you will either have Flirt or Venus. So I think Venus is more of a orangey sort of colour, like an orangey brown, whilst this is more like a nude type brown. So the recommended retail price for this is £16. We just love this flirty lip contour from beauty expert Huda Katan. Waterproof and transfer free. It glides on effortlessly to give your pout an intense shot of colour. Use it to both contour and colour your lips. Pair it with Huda Beauty's liquid matte lipstick for a beautiful matte finish. Channel your inner goddess Glossie's pout perfection aways. So that's that item. And then we got one more item. Regenerate. Oh, this rings. Ah, yes, it's a toothpaste. Regenerate enamel toothpaste. I was thinking then, I've recognised this before. So I'm not keen on toothpaste in subscription boxes. I just think it's a little bit random, but I tried this last time, and I think I said this in the video, and I think it was a Glossybox last year sometime. I tried it and I eat my words because it is really good. I'm sure it's this one. I'm sure. If I'm wrong, please let me know down below, but I'm sure we had this last year sometime. I think it was either Look Fantastic or Glossybox, one of those anyway, and I was like, I don't like toothpastes in subscription boxes. Not moaning, because it is sort of beauty related, but it's a bit different to skincare and makeup, isn't it, what we usually get. But no, I tried it and I absolutely loved it. So I'm sure it's this one. I'm gonna have to go back and have a look to see, but this is a sample and it's 14 grams. So the recommended retail price for this, which you can buy at this size, is £2.50, and it says Enamel Science Advanced Toothpaste. There's nothing more charming than a nice smile. Give your teeth a spruce with this regenerating, strengthening enamel mineral restoring toothpaste. Boasting unique NR5 ingredients that reverses the early enamel erosion process while also giving you pearly white teeth and fresh minty breath. So those are all the items, so I'll just gather them all up. So these are all the items inside February's Glossybox. So we've got 7 items in all, but these 2 are samples and they're the freebies. So the 5 items that we pay for this box is this Luxie brush, this Regenerate toothpaste, the Nails Ink nail polish, Huda Beauty lip contour, and a Vitamasque face mask. All together, just totting it all up quickly, it comes to around £58, so well above the £13.25 that you would pay. And yeah, I think my thoughts are, I can see that it's sort of like a pamper prepping sort of box. We've got we've got toothpaste, we've got nail polish, we've got a face mask, lip, perfume, and the brush as well. I think it's a good all-rounder box, and I'm quite impressed with it. I love this nail polish. I think my nail here now, you can probably see it peeking over the top there, it's naff. I'm gonna have to take that off, and I'll probably do my nails properly again now that they're growing a little bit. But yeah, no, I can't wait to try this lip contour. This brush feels so soft and nice. Yeah, just a really nice all-around box. So there you go. I'd love to know your thoughts as always. Do you think this box is good value for money? Do you think it contains some good things? Or do you think it's a load of pants? I'd love to know your opinions, whatever they may be. So please comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.